With all the wild weather across the United States, Granny and Grandpa wanted to send us this quick video to say hello.
Good morning, family. Granny goes off grid. Today last night we had snow, so today we woke up to snow, more snow, and even more snow. So we're raking out a driveway of such in case we have to get up out of here or we have to go somewhere. But there's a lot of snow, and when I was out this morning getting the snow off of the roof and watershed and the wooden structure that we started to build, it started snowing again. So don't know what today holds, but we got a lot of snow. They said there was a storm in effect, so I guess this is the result of it. So we are shoveling out a little bit, and here we go. Have a nice day, guys. Blessings. To show you the progress that we have made yesterday before all this came in on the backyard kitchen, in the kitchen area. So this is what we did. It was covered with snow today, but I came out this morning and I kind of brushed it off of the wood framing anyway. But this is the framing for the floor and the start of the kitchen area. And this is what it looks like today. Thursday morning, February 18th. Okay. So, to show you a little bit of it. And as you can see, there's no water or no snow on top of the watershed, because I was using that ladder to brush it all off. But as I'm speaking, it's snowing again with the sunshine out, and that was the concern that the sun was going to start to melt the snow and pull the water into the wood. So that may still happen, but this is where we are with the kitchen build. Alright folks, you guys take care. We'll talk to you again soon. Blessings to all. Thank you, Creator, for all of us. Bye. Hey, Granny goes off grid. We're up and at it, and there's Granny out on the driveway, raking it, and I'm shoveling it. So we're trying to clear it away so that if we have to get out or if we need access to it, it's clear. So not too bad, not too shabby a job, I must say so myself. Shoveling the snow and getting it clear on the driveway. It's a clear, slightly partly sunny sky today, and just wanted you to know we're here. We love it and we love you. Granny goes off grid, signing off. We've done the driveway and a little bit of the road out in the front of the property, and we're gonna let the sun do the rest. But this is what we got so far. We even got the turnaround cleared out a little bit, and that's Cecilia. Granny goes off grid. Hey, hey. She's taking a little snow out of the truck, the bed of the truck. So that's what we've gotten done so far today, and We're going to get us hot chocolate. All right, Granny Goes Off Grid signing off for this episode or this segment, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Thanks for this quick check-in with Granny and Grandpa with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.